Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of an Epson XP-332. Now this is nice and simple, we're done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel and the little screen you can see here. So first of all we need to be on the home screen of the printer and we can use the right arrow of the touchpad to take us along to setup. Once setup is selected, press OK to go in. And ink levels is the very first option, so we press OK. And here we have a visual representation of how much black, cyan, magenta and yellow ink the printer thinks it has within each of the cartridges. Now if any of these are worryingly low, as we have with the yellow and the magenta here, you can replace them straight away, just pressing down and OK on here. If however you're looking for this menu due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, I'd recommend checking out the cleaning and test page videos we also have for this printer up on our channel. That's about all there is to see, so thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.